Yeah.
Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. So it's been a really long time, but today I'm back with another makeup look, and for this look I've kept the face very simple and I've tried to give the full attention to the lips. So basically a really simple makeup look, and let's get started. I'm going to start off by using my VLCC Nourishing Day Cream. As always, I'll have all the products linked in the description box below, and I'm just going to apply that all over my skin as such. And the next product I'm going to apply is this Biotique sunscreen. The sun here is ruthless and I tan very easily, so just to avoid that situation, I'm just going to apply the sunscreen all over my skin and my neck, and try to apply this about like 10 to 20 minutes before you actually go out in the sun for it to actually work. And so once that is done, I'm going to use my Lakme Absolute Foundation. I'm just going to shake it up to incorporate, I think, the argan oil in that, and I'm going to apply that all over my face as such, and I'm going to use a brush to blend it out. As you can see, the brush was really not doing its job really well here, so I'm going in with another brush. And for concealer, you've seen me use this a lot. This is the Huda Beauty concealer, and I'm just going to apply that right under my eyes, and as I'm blending it out, I'll take it over my nose as well. I'm just going to use the leftover product on my brush just to cover up any imperfections that I might have on my skin. And just in order to set that, I'm going to use my Lakme Absolute Perfect Radiance powder, and I'm mainly going to focus on my T-zone. That is where I get oily the most. And for my eyebrows, I'm using the Brow This Way by Rimmel London, and I'm just going to fill in my brows, nothing too defining. I'm just going to fill in my natural brows. And for the eyes, again, I want to keep the focus on the lips, so I'm just going to apply this brown shade to my crease just to create a contouring effect. And I'm going to take the same eyeshadow on a smaller brush, and I'm going to apply it to the lower waterline of my eyes just to create a contour. Now I'm going to take this Makeup Forever highlight, and I'm just going to apply that using a small brush just to my lids, just to the center, just to give the eyes a lot of definition, and I'm just going to blend it out with the brown shade. And to finish off the eyes, I'm going to use the Borges Paris mascara. Again, I'll have it linked down below. And I'm just going to coat my lashes here. If you want, you can use false lashes, but I think since I wanted to keep the eye simple, mascara worked just fine. And so to finish off the eyes, I'm going to take the same highlighter that we used on the lids, and I'm just going to apply that to my inner corners. Is that what it's called? Inner corners. And yeah, this just creates a really nice highlight as well. And here I'm going to use the Essence Color Boost. I'll have the color link down below, and I'm going to use this on my cheeks. Yes, I know that this was a lot of product, and this is when I realized that I screwed up, so I changed my brush. I took a bigger brush and I tried to blend that out, so always remember to keep a light hand while using this product. But I think it worked quite fine. And once I was done blending with that, I went ahead and used the same highlighter that I used on my eyes, the Makeup Forever, and I just highlighted on my cheekbones and my nose and my cupid's bow. And to finish off the makeup look for the start of the show, I just applied the lipstick that I've shown before. And since I found this way too red, I'm balancing that out with this Maybelline lip try-on, which I'll have a link down below again. And yeah, I'm just going to rub off some excess product that I had, just to create a sharper definition. And yes, that was the finished makeup look. This was a really simple makeup look that gave a lot of attention to the lips. So if you enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe to my channel and like this video and comment below if you have any suggestions for the next video. So I'll see you in my next video, guys.